Hi guys, welcome back to Make That House a Home Monday, and today we are somewhere new. We are not at my home, we are at my mom's home. She's had this home for some time now, and we are doing some fixing upping in this house. So this is the house. We're in Atlanta, where I was born and raised, and she bought a fixer-upper, and now I'm came down just to help her out with some painting, and I'm gonna bring you guys along on a journey. So make this house a home on a road trip. Here we go, guys. Okay guys, so we are in my mom's green room. Well, I'm in my mom's green room. So basically she wants this another color, so we're gonna paint from the top to the bottom a different color. And first we're gonna get started with some painter tape, just sectioning out the rooftop because we don't want to get the new color on the roof. And then yeah, okay guys, so this is my friend. Say hi. He's helping me and my mom with her house. So we got started in her room with that egg, like, I don't know what color you want to call that. It's like a really light blue, and we found out that she does not like that color. So we are gonna start all over again with white, fresh white. She's gone to go get that, and now I'm on to another project while she's gone. As you see, my friend is painting the inside of this. I'm not sure what this is called. You know what this is called?
It's called the underneath. It's a name for it, but I don't know.
Boom. Yeah. We don't know the name of it, but we're gonna paint. So I'm gonna help him paint, and that's what we're about to do now until she gets back with the paint for the room inside. So let's keep it going. So I didn't know that you could not see us, so this clip is going to be really short because you can't really see what we're doing. You can only really see my body, so just know we painted it. It looks good. Okay guys, so we are back. Yes, my mom went and got some paint. I painted over, you can see where the eggshell color was. I hope you guys can see that. Eggshell color up at the top, and then the white. So you guys see a slight, you see the difference. Yeah, so I got started, I already painted over that. I started over here in this corner, and so now I'm just gonna do a time lapse of me finishing painting this one wall, and then another wall I'm going to be painting white, and then that's all she wrote for this room. So in the next room we're going to be doing yellow, so stay tuned for that. Wow, so we are almost done. I have to take the tape off of here, and we're going to dry it. It looks decent. I've never really painted a whole wall like this before, so yay me. Also, I think I'm gonna go over it one more time tomorrow just to like really make it pop. I don't know, we'll see how it looks in the morning. So I did that wall, and I also did this wall right here. It's white. I don't know if you guys can see it, the lighting's not that great, but it's a white wall. Yeah, it's not showing up white. It's probably being reflected off of the wall over here. But it's a white wall. I'm gonna give this another paint of coat as well, probably tomorrow. And that's the first room down for painting. Second room I have to do is on the other side of the house. So yeah, you guys will see that one coming up next. Good morning, everybody. So we are on day 2 of Make That House a Home ATL edition. And so I don't know if you guys remember, but yesterday these shutters, boom, these shutters were green and now they're black. We painted them black yesterday, and now we're just going over with another fresh coat of black so it can be black and not like black blue or black green, because there was green under there. So that's what we're doing this morning, and then we're going to go inside and do some painting. So I'm going to take you along with me as we do a second coat of black on here, and then we're going to go inside and do the another wall. So we're still going on Make That House a Home. We're done with the outside. Now we have came inside and we're gonna paint this beautiful yellow wall. Just another coat of yellow just to brighten it up some. And then we're gonna be done with Make That House a Home Atlanta edition. So I'm so glad you guys came on this journey with me. I'll do a time lapse of me painting just one wall because there's 4 other walls that I need to paint. And I don't think you guys really want to see all that. But thank you guys for joining me on this journey. I love you guys from the bottom to the top. I hope you're having a beautiful day, night, or evening whenever you're watching this. And until next time, see you guys later on Make This House a Home Mondays. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I believe we'll be coming out with a new segment on Fridays. So definitely check it out.